Hello students, now here we are going to discuss about the lipids molecules. Okay, lipids. What are lipids or the meaning of the lipids molecule? Okay, these are other kind of the chemical organic molecules. Okay, and also these are the product, and these are the ester of fatty acid and alcohol. Okay, now you can say when fatty acid react with the alcohol, especially glycerol and other long chain of the alcohol, so they will make the next chemical organic compound are called lipids. Like you can see here that these are the example of different kinds of the lipids, like triglyceride and also the monoglyceride, depending upon that how many number of fatty acid involved in reacting with the glycerol molecule. So you must have to remember, and yesterday you have studied about fatty acid, the meaning of the fatty acid, when the carboxylic group directly linked to the methyl or ethyl group, they make a long chain of the fatty acid. So when the molecule of fatty acid react with the one molecule of glycerol, that is the category of alcohol, so they will make the structure called triglyceride, that is a kind of the lipid. It means to say, you can say कि lipids are the molecules of reacting the fatty acid with the glycerol molecule, and these are of different kinds, like monoglyceride where the number of fatty acid is 1, and diglyceride where the number of fatty acid are 2, and triglyceride where the number of fatty acid are 3 when the number of glycerol is only 1. Okay, so depending upon the number of fatty acid, there are different kinds of the lipids molecule. These are categorized as monoglyceride, diglyceride and triglyceride. These are the category of lipids. Okay, so simply you can say these are the esters. These are the esters between of fatty acid and glycerol. Okay, must have to remember कि lipids are the ester of fatty acid and glycerol. Clear? These are the ester. Now there are different kinds of the lipids molecule. There are also of different kinds of the lipids, like you can see here like this like this. These are the different kinds of lipids, like simple lipids. There are specially 3 types of the lipids molecule: simple, compound and also derived lipids. Clear? Simple lipids, compound lipids and derived lipids. Clear? So you must have to remember these key, what are different kinds of the lipids molecule. Okay, so here these are the simple kinds of the lipids, especially these are of different types, especially like you can say these are neutral or true fats. Generally जो fats molecule होते हैं, these are kind of the simple lipids. Clear? And these are made up of fatty acid and simple kinds of the alcohol, especially the glycerol molecule. When glycerol react with the fatty acid, they will form the simple kind of the lipids, and simple kind of the lipids include true fats. Clear? True fats are categorized in the simple kinds of the lipids. Clear? Now you can see that in compound lipids there are fatty acid when react with the alcohol, but these alcohol are not of a simple kind of alcohol, but along with the alcohol there are another kind of the substances. Now in compound lipid there are fatty acid, alcohol, and along with alcohol there will be another kind of substances, like you can say in phospholipid there are phosphorus when react with the lipids molecule. यानी कि इस तरह के जो भी लिपिड मॉलिक्यूल होंगे वहाँ पर फैटी एसिड, अल्कोहल के साथ साथ क्या होगा, वहाँ पर फास्फोरस मॉलिक्यूल भी प्रेजेंट होंगे, फास्फोरस जैसे मॉलिक्यूल भी प्रेजेंट होंगे. लाइक इन दिस कैटेगरी स्पेशली यू कैन सी फास्फोलिपिड, स्पेशली फास्फोलिपिड. दिस इज द category of the compound lipids where the fatty acid plus the fatty acid plus alcohol and phosphorus. Okay, so that's why these are called phospholipids. Clear? So these are depend upon what kind of another kind of substances are present over there. Clear? Now what happen in derived lipids? These are derived lipids. So derived lipids, these are complex kind of the lipids. These are the derivatives of the lipids. These are not categorized of simple and compound, but they are a special kind of the lipids. And these lipids are include like sterol, steroids, and also prostaglandins. These all are kind of the derived lipids. Clear? So we have studied till now the three kind of the lipids molecule. Okay, so this is all about the lipids. Still, if you have any confusion, then you can discuss with me. Okay.